Hello everyone. I'm Jackson. I'm the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Are you looking for a full-service repair shop to fix your cracked iPhone screen? No doubt, the iPhone screen is very sensitive. It requires proper skill to get rid of the problem of iPhone screen. Apple-certified experts are the right choice to get a permanent solution. The certified professionals of iTech Xpress provide a solution after diagnosing the gadget thoroughly. The company provides factory-grade services for all Apple products. So, you can expect genuine parts from them if there is any need of any part replacement. Get more information about the company's iPhone repair service by giving a look at https://techexpressinc.com. Do you want to share your problem with the experts by giving them a call? Then you can make a call at 626-777-4747. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.